long day.
Fuck that, I'm gonna knock on her door right now. Hey, how you doing? I'm your neighbor from down the hall.
Hi, neighbor.
Yeah, hi, nigga.
Who is you?
Nah, nigga, who is you? Baby, invite him in.
So why were you looking at me in the hallway?
I wasn't looking.
You wanna fuck my wife?
I don't wanna fuck your wife.
You closing to my house?
So disrespectful.
I just say I don't wanna have intercourse with your wife.
So you don't think my wife's attractive, huh?
No, I think she's a very nice lady.
Stand up, baby. Look at that ass. Nigga, look at that ass.
Nobody tells you!
That's grade A ass. Look at that ass. Nigga, look at that ass.
Oh, she got a nice ass. Oh, she got a nice
She
ass.
does.
Oh, she got a nice ass.
Baby, get my gun. Baby, get my gun.
Wait, gun?
You got to die, nigga.
Die? No. I got goals and dreams I want to accomplish. I can't die yet.
Oh
Nigga, that's my sister. Got you, nigga. I was just fucking with you, little nigga, man.
You had me for a second, okay.
So tell me how long you think this been going on in that hallway, man. You been checking them out, right?
Every day I be checking that booty. Every day.
Every day, right?
I want to take her out, man.
Go on, give her a kiss.
Can I get you a blessing?
Yep, you got my blessing. Give her a kiss.
my
I like that. Look at that. Look at that.
Ooh, stop that ass. Nigga, that's my motherfucking wife.
So rude.
Baby, get my gun. That's my motherfucking wife.
So rude.
Baby, get my gun.
Again?
You wanna live, nigga?
Yeah, I do want to live, yes.
Babe, it's actually your anniversary today. Why doesn't he sing us a song?
Yeah, nigga, why don't you sing us a song? I don't sing. Sing, nigga.
Oh, child, things will get easier. Oh,
I think I like this one.
You don't like that? Sing something else.
I want to take you down. I
Wanna take you down. That's what it's all about.
I don't think I like this one either.
Hey, she don't like that shit. Oh, you got one more shot and you gonna die. Sing another song, and it better be good.
All my life, I pray for someone.
I can't take it anymore.
All right, stop singing. Baby,
Come on.
get my gun. Get my gun. Babe, get the door.
Hey, Elizabeth. How are you? Who the?
He hasn't been picking up his phone. Mom's been trying to call him. What are you guys up to?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Who's this?
Nobody.
Seriously, who is this? It's kind of cute.
Oh, that's the neighbor.
Yeah, the neighbor.
Well, what do you do for a living?
Oh, just trying to live.
Aren't we all?
Aren't we all?
Okay, all right.
Yeah, we all trying to live, right?
So he lives next door. Why haven't I seen him?
Oh, he's seen enough.
Yeah, he's seen enough.
Oh, like what?
A lot of knives, tangerines, a lot of kidnapping.
Like the movie Taken?
Yeah, like the movie Taken.
Who take it?
All right, I'm gonna use the restroom.
Well, I can show you.
Showing her shit.
Like you know where the bathroom is.
This way, right?
Get my gun. Get my gun.
What are you doing?
Just looking for a recipe. Your brother loses them all the time.
Shit.
Oh, I'm hungry. What are you guys cooking? Coffee sounds good.
Baby, I'll be back.
Where are you guys going?
I'm just gonna show him my trophy collection.
We got trophies? Yeah, we got tomatoes. We got.
Let me show you what happened to niggas who look at my wife. Tell them how many times you looked at my wife.
I only looked twice, man. How many times did you look? About a week. Oh, you got it worse to me, man. You finna die, nigga. You finna die. You finna die. I don't wanna look at your wife no more, I swear.
You better not answer that.
Don't be rude. Pick up your phone.
Can I put it on speaker?
Put it on speakerphone.
Yo, Splack, where you at, bro? I'm at your house.
I'm next door.
Who is it? Come through.
Next door?
Yeah, come through.
Yo, what the fuck going on in here, yo?
Kane, get my gun.
What the fuck going on in here, yo?
Kane, get my gun. Hey, Kane, get my gun.
Yo, girl, what you need a gun for, bro?
You trying to kill me?
Who?
Him?
That's not true.
It's not true.
Why is everyone always talking about guns?
Yo, who that right there?
Oh, that's the hot neighbor I was telling you about.
Oh, yo, come here real quick.
Don't you go over there.
Come here. I see you burgundies. Look at that little point. Wow.
Lady in red.
No, why is everyone always talking about guns?
Shut up! Shut up!
Shut up.
I'm gonna find out.
Wow, look at that ass.
Get your hands off my... Shit! What's up, man? I hate Tangerine eating that shit all on my face. I hate Tangerine.
I want your girl, nigga. That's all I care about right now.
Get my gun. Get my gun. Get my gun. What do you think the ball's still in your court? Put this nigga down. You know this nigga had me sing?
I ain't never heard you sing before.
Nigga, I was trash, nigga.
Wow.
Yeah, you was trash.
Nigga, shut the fuck up.
Shut your ass up.
Let's make this nigga dance.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, you gonna dance, nigga. You go dance, nigga. You dancing too. You got that?
What you want to hear?
Something my grandmother played when I was younger.
Oh, Mr. Sandman. I like that.
Mr. Sandman.
Let the wave, boy. I'ma kill you, nigga. You know, I want to change it up. My style, you know, 80s, 90s.
MC Hammer.
Ooh.
Can't touch that.
Hey, yeah.
Nigga, you really can dance.
She is getting it, boy. I like that. She is committed. And you need to be committed too. Commit, nigga. Commit.
Can't touch this. Damn, she got a fat ass.
Makes me say, oh my lord.
I'm thirsty. I'll be right back.
Oh yeah, go get something to drink. Baby, get my gun. Get my gun.
More people to dance with?
Oh shit, the cops. What the cops doing here?
Man, fuck that.
That nigga dead. Chip on the tangerine. Check his pulse.
I love playing this game. Play dead. He's dead.
See, that's why I hate tangerine. Hey, we gotta get rid of the body. I mean, nigga, the cops won't come to you. Come on.
I can do it. I'm gonna eat a lot of tacos.
Oh shit.
I'll shack them.
Hey, yo, go check on Nina. Hey, you killed my boy, man. I hate tangerine.
LAPD, open up. LAPD, who?
Hey, hurry up. Hey, let's come motherfucker in here.
Wait, dance, open the door.
Let's get that ass nigga. Y'all good?
Hello. LAPD, we got a noise complaint.
Hands up where we can see him.
What's going on here? Put your hands down.
Hide my gun. Hide my gun.
We're in the building. You wouldn't mind if we took a look around?
Yeah, come in, come in. I like your hair. Don't touch me. Do you guys have any illegal drugs or weapons in this house?
Smells like paraphernalia in here.
Spell paraphernalia, Rico.
You sure this is dishwashing soap?
Baby, they're looking in the kitchen.
Go over there for J-Lo and Stitch. Find my gun. Go, gotcha.
Actually, I think...
Well, actually, we about to listen to that really quick.
Actually, weapons? Tangerine?
Give me that.
That's it. Everyone sit down!
Now.
We know what's been going on around here.
What's been going on here?
Someone's been tied up. If none of you confess, all of you are going to jail.
Now!
Arrested? Okay.
Shut her ass up, baby.
Go get the big gun. Go get the big gun. My partner returns, all of you are in trouble.
Oh.
All of you are in trouble. So which one of y'all is a birthday girl? I can be the birthday girl.
It's your damn birthday. So y'all gonna just come in my house, shaking your ass and titties for my little sister?
I love dancing.
Get the fuck out of my house.
And how did you shave so fast?
You still gotta pay us.
Somebody give me some words. Come on. Nigga, chill.
You mind if I use the bathroom real quick?
Oh, let him go to the restroom.
I really gotta go on real hydrated.
Go ahead, motherfucker. Appreciate it. That's door number 1. And don't do number 2.
What kind of freaky shit are they into?
Nosy nigga. I said door number 1.
What did you see?
Baby,
Get your gun.
duct tape.
Get your gun.
Duct tape. Wait, don't forget you was checking out my wife.
Yeah.
And don't forget you killed my boy with that tangerine. Touche. Let's wrap this motherfucker up. Got you.
Wait. Tell us what you saw in the closet and we'll let you go.
Yeah, what did you see?
Nothing, I promise. I just have to pee.
You lie, you die. What's in the closet?
What's in the closet? What's in the closet?
Nothing.
Wrong answer.
I'd rather die than go in this closet with these bodies.
Bodies?
I wanna see!
Damn. You said there was nothing in the closet. Baby, get my gun.
You mean this gun right here?
Nobody ever sees the gun. No. When they see the gun, it's over.
Why is everyone always talking about guns?
Let him go.
I wanna see.
Back up!
Oh, no.
Back up! Back up!
Oh, no.
Back up!
That was real?
Get off of me!
So who got shot? At least I finally got the beat. Yo.
Oh, you killed your friend! Oh no. How'd you kill your friend?
We gotta get rid of the body. Help me put him in the closet. What do you mean? There's already 2 in there. So you think 3 gonna make a difference? You do the same time. Besides, none of this would have happened if you never looked at my wife.
Yeah!
What do you mean? She's the one who just shot her partner.
Don't look at me! Your ditzy little sister should have backed up! Stop touching me!
What is he doing?
Yo, how the fuck? This nigga done called the cops. Hey, throw me my gun. Throw me my gun.
Whoa! That's messed up.
You killed that nigga, not me. And if you murdered him, they'll believe you murdered everybody else. And we gonna put this body in the closet. You go get the door.
I'll do it. Wait.
Be in your best behavior. We got leverage on you, stripper lady.
Hi, officer.
See the noise complaint from this apartment.
I must have butt dialed you. It happens.
Butt down.
Yeah.
Everything okay with her?
She's fine.
I'll keep it down. Have a good night, okay?
Bye.
Ain't nobody even talking.
He was about to. Nigga, come on, get the body. What was that? Sit down. You too. My Lord, Kumbaya, Kumbaya, my Lord. What in the devil worshiping is going on back here?
Officer, why do you have a gun?